How to toast many bread slices together in one go without having to wait for a long time. It's simple. If you have an oven, place the tray at the bottom and the grilled side on top. Now, between those thin lines of the grills, you all will place the slices of bread. Now, since I have to make a few slices itself, I am leaving gaps in between each of the grills. But if not, you all can place them in line one after the other. And likewise, you can form another line of bread slices on the back side. So once you have formed them in a line, in this way, just turn it on the heat mode on both sides getting heated up and then wait for it to get toasted. The toasting depends totally on your requirement. I feel it is hard enough, so I have turned down the heat mode and this is how hard it is, more than enough. So in this way you can toast many slices of bread together. Isn't it a good hack? Please do let me know in the comment section, and for more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, How Hacks.